Yeah, it's good. Yeah, we have to go through this every morning. Okay.
Fuck.
Alright, let's start it up. Premium, base, education, paste, um, free channel, paste. Wrong one. Delete. Morning, morning, morning.
What's good? What's good?
Yo, what up? What up? Good? Hello?
Yep, yep.
Alright, bet. What up, everyone? What up, what up? Let me test my internet real quick. Let me test this real quick. I'm good. Never mind. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, for those of you guys that entered GG sell buys earlier, I'm expecting this. Let me see. Let me see the hourly candle. Yeah, so the hourly closed bullish. So it closed in this small resistance. It closed. Well, it tapped this and it came down. So I expected GG to come fly up. That's why I entered a buy. Pretty much I seen that this candle over here was here. I seen this candle come up bullish, and then the next candle came out bullish. So when this candle came out bullish, it broke this candle high, right? So I wasn't awake at that time. So then I looked for entries after this candle. So once this candle closed, since we closed bullish above this previous high, I have a small wick to get filled. We entered buys here, right? So when we entered buys there, our stops were like right here, and then obviously this is our first target up here, our first take profit area, and then our second take profit area was over here if price break. So I had like a runner, I had a trade going on, I had a I had one position open, and when price got up here, I closed like 75% of my profits with the runner. So I had that runner, that 25% coming up here, but unfortunately that runner got stopped out at break even. So I'm not in this trade anymore, but I'm still bullish on this pair. It should come up today. So the next, once it breaks this resistance, we're probably gonna enter buys because it's bullish. It has a gap to fill too. I'm not only relying on that gap, but I'm just expecting price to come up here because this is like it just looks bullish. Look at the structure. Got a higher high, higher low, higher high.
Yeah.
Just making a higher low. As long as price doesn't break this low or this low, we should be fine. Because if you look in the hourly time frame, you're gonna see as long as price doesn't break this structure, we should be good for buys. Should come up to here. But once if this candle comes down to here and comes below this wick, then that means that we're gonna have a lower low because structure is broken, and then price will come up to here. But I'm expecting price to come up to here today. By the end of the session, by the end of the New York session, we should come up to there. But yeah, that's my trade for today. Well, my first trade of the day. Secured I think I secured 17 pips on that. So
Yeah, I seen that. It's nice.
trade one. GPY buys 17 plus 17 pips. Alright. So good start to the day. Well, to the week. Hop in my car. How's the audio? Is it good? Cause some people are in here like it's not good. Some people are here like it's good. So I'm just wondering. Just let me know in the comments. Yo, lock, bro. Mute your mic, bro. Super loud.
I'm looking for EU sales pretty soon.
EU?
Yeah.
Let me check. I don't trade that pair. Send me a chart though. I wanna look at it.
Alright, I only drew like 2 lines, but I'll send you.
Lock, mute your mic, bro. This guy locks mic so loud. This guy doing dishes in the fucking live call.
What do you mean?
Yo, your background's so loud. Yo, mute your mic. What is that?
Oh, that was just me stirring my coffee.
Alright.
Unless I'm doing dishes.
Just mute. If it's loud, just mute your mic. 'Cause it's super loud.
Wait, what's the sound?
His it's like spoons and shit clapping against the glass.
Like no, what did Locke?
I was
What did you say
stirring
it was?
coffee. I was stirring
Oh.
coffee. Yeah.
Yeah, that was very loud.
My bad, my bad.
Remember this guy? The first call, this guy was yawning, super loud, and it was on stream. I was like, yo.
Yeah, EU looks super nice.
I haven't looked at it.
Good
Alright, I
look at
just
it.
sent you my chart in the Zoom.
I bet. Look at this. Copy. Oh yeah. Yeah, but yeah, that looks good. Cause you got this candle. Yeah, it looks good. You got this candle over here. So pretty much you're looking at this support, right? So you had this support
Yeah.
right here, and then this candle came down. This candle came bearish. That was the first start of the bearish trend, and then this candle came bearish, but it closed as kind of like a doji. So usually what happens with dojis is you can just block dojis out like this. Cause dojis mean like, I learned this over the weekend actually. The dojis mean like and I kind of back tested it too, but dojis pretty much mean like you just cover it up. Cover it up because prices open where it was and it just closed where it was, so it becomes invalid after. So just don't look at the doji, and just go based off the previous candle. So if you look at this candle, it's bearish, so this candle should continue down because this candle broke the previous candle low over here, right? So as well as this candle, it broke the doji low too. But yeah, so this candle should come down here because there's no
that makes sense.
yeah. So yeah, it should be good. How many pips is this?
I think it's like almost 80.
Oh fuck yeah, it's a big move. Yeah, price doesn't come down in here and then over here, but I'll be safe. Put it TP over here, but
Okay.
it could probably come down here most likely, and it could also come down further if those wick. So
True.
yeah, should be good.
Alright, that makes sense.
Yo Sam, the amount of back testing I did over the weekend, like
On
I
TradingView?
did so much bare back testing, like so much back
Shit.
testing. Like I spent the whole weekend just back testing. Crazy. I've never done so much back testing in my life.
Yeah, I guess you can't really do anything else.
That's how I found this GG buy, bro. I wouldn't have like I found this like new play in my book. I added it to my playbook kinda. It wasn't based off of like any broken zone. It's just based off of these 3 candles over here. Free fire.
Let me see.
This GG, like pretty much like off of this candle, creating a
Bro,
low
why
wick.
does
Huh?
my fucking Zoom, my phone just like cuts out of the screen sometimes? Yeah, what?
I don't know. But yeah, pretty much just based off of this candle closing bullish. And since we closed bullish breaking this previous candle high, I had a stop loss of 20 pips and my TP was like here, like my first TP, and then
Yeah, but it also broke above the
yeah, I think I entered on the 15-minute, I think yeah, on the 15-minute enter off of like over here or something, this candle. closed as a doji, and then I just entered off of this candle over here. So it came down near stop loss first, and after we came up to TP, like here, TP1 area. So yeah, I don't know, it's pretty blessed. So I'm waiting for like another GG move. I'm pretty positive we're gonna come up to here today. Should. Is there music playing? You guys good? Let me know in the comments if there's music. Bet. Yeah, so this candle's closing bullish. So if this candle closes bullish above this area, I'm probably gonna potentially get a buy-in. So probably gonna look something like this up to here, because this is a target, right? Damn, I can't believe my runner got stopped out at entry. But this stop loss is huge. Like it's 34 pips, right? So I'll see. Because the stop loss, if I take this buy, my stop loss has to be below this candle. So the 30-minute candle. So because this is breaking the previous candle high, right? But let's see. Stop loss is gonna be huge.
30 minutes about to open.
Yeah. Alright, so this candle closed bullish, so I'm expecting this candle to come up to here. But the thing is, if we enter this trade, my TP is gonna be 4 to 5 pips, right? But my stop loss will have to be 33 pips. So that's a huge stop loss. I don't want a 33 pip stop loss. Because this candle, if you look at it, this candle broke the previous candle high, right? So I'm expecting this candle to come up. Plus, there was no wick to the top. So when there's no wick to the top of this candle, two things can happen. This candle can just shoot up, or just fly up, or it can just like. So since there's no range at the top, price can just easily come down back to here. So there's two things can happen when there's no wick to the top. So, but yeah, this candle was a little too risky. Enter off of. I think what you could do is you could potentially enter with your stops below this kind of wick, but then that'll be a 6 pip stop loss. That's the thing. Because it looks bullish, right? think that's what I'm gonna do actually. I'm gonna enter here with a 6 pip stop loss, anticipating that price will not come down to break this candle low, current candle low. So it's a 6 pip stop loss with a on 40 pip gain, alright? Just know what you're risking. Know what you're risking. So I am currently in buys. I got like around here with my stops, like literally 6 pip, 5 pip stop loss. So over here. I'm anticipating that price will not come back down to break this low. So this is like a low aggressive entry. The first one wasn't as aggressive because our stop loss was like a little wider, but this is like a little aggressive because our stops are literally like 5 pips. Because if price comes and breaks down below here, then price will eventually come down to fill his range now, back in the range. And this will be a little fake out, right? So let's see. This is a low, just know where you're, if you're taking this trade, just know what you're risking. Because price broke this level. So. I'm in this trade right now. Trade 1 Y plus it. So that's my idea of the trade. That's my breakdown. Also, I think the daily's turning a little bit bullish too. Yeah, so the daily just turned bullish because it was bearish first, right? That little pullback, and since the daily respected this low, I'm guessing this will come up to this target over here to fill a gap in the daily high. So look at the 4 hour close, and yeah, the 4 hour looks bullish because if you look at the 4 hour, you're gonna see this target should hit, but based off of the fact that this 4 hour candle broke the previous high of this candle over here. So since we broke the high of this candle, I'm expecting price to come up to here and eventually fill up this, come to here, this zone, this range, right? Yeah, looking good. Hourly candle just turned bullish too. So since we have this candle flip in our hourly candle, hourly time frame, I'm expecting this candle just to shoot straight up because yeah, remember this candle at first was bearish, right? So at first it created like something like this. This is what it created. At first, this is what it looked like. This is the bearish red candle. Came down like this. But since there's a wick now, it'll eventually come up like this now. Just shoot straight up. Because if you look at it again, this candle broke this high, this level over here. And it's at this current level right now. It's like a small resistance compared to this area over here. This is the important part. So as I said, this is a more aggressive entry because our stops was supposed to be down here, but this is like only 5 pip stop loss. And target's up here, so yeah. My second entries for this buy. Make sense, everyone? Are you gonna re-enter GG? Yeah, I'm gonna re-in. Currently down, I think 2 pips or something. I don't know what I'm down by, but the reason our stops are so tight is because 1, you can have your stops down here, or 2, you can enter a low aggressive entry and have your stops right here. Because if this breaks, then it'll eventually come down to here, right? So, and since this candle broke the previous candle high, I'm expecting this candle just to shoot straight up. Because this candle, if you look at it, we broke this candle high over here, right? As well as this candle high too. And there's no wick at the top. And since this candle is already coming up and respecting this level, I'm expecting this candle just to shoot straight up. Because as I said, this candle right here could mean 2 things. It can mean this price is going to shoot straight up like it is right now, or it can just come back down. So right now, I'm actually going to move my stops to entry because we're like 20 pips in profit. So my stops are at entry, and I'm going to let this trade run, right? So if you guys took that, you guys should move your stop loss to entry. Don't risk too much. Yo, Sam. Are you guys here? Where do you guys go?
I'm muted, but I'm in good profits right now.
Yes, sir. So you've broken down everything
same.
on the stream, man. Broken down all on the stream. I'm gonna move my stop loss to low to like above entry. Like I'm secured 10 pips no matter what. So yeah, this kind of just flew up, man. Flew up. So I'm securing 10 pips on this trade. Securing 10 pips. So around here, right? Move my stops to entry, above entry. So my stops are like over here. I think it just hit. Oh no, it didn't. Not yet. Yeah, my stops are like literally where it is, where the price is. So if it hits, then it hits, right?
Oh yeah, isn't this week NFP week 2? First month?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So if you guys move stops to entry, you can just let it run till TP, or you can just cause I got stopped out, so I secured like 10 pips on the trade. Yo, lock, bro. Why is your background so loud? There we go. Yeah, so I secured 10 pips on this trade. So my trade for this is done. I'm done. I'm off this trade. Trade 2, GPY plus 10 pips. Go. So altogether, we caught 26 pips today. Not bad.
It filled that little gap.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not fill this gap. So I'm happy with my profits for today. I'm already up 26 pips, so my 5% is kind of done. So. GG. Guys, caught. So if you guys took that trade, just drop a 1 in the chat. I don't know who took that trade, but good trade, good trade. Man, it feels so much better to call it live. Like there's two things. You can call it signal, but when you call it live, it's different because you can actually like analyze and break down the whole analysis, and like, people will like understand it. But when you give a signal, well, people are not gonna understand it. They're gonna be like, how did this guy enter? You know, they don't see it the way we see it, like I see it. So when I analyze it, break it down, all good. We had a 5 pip stop loss, and I secured like I think like around 12 pips on this, so like 15 pips for me. So yeah, this came up 25 pips. Good trade, good trade. Yeah. So I'm out of this trade right now. I'm not in, but if you're in, just move your stops to entry or something. But I took profits. If you like that call, please drop a like and subscribe, and just go ham to likes. Yo, Sam, you caught that? Go. So yeah, I took 2 trades today, so my day is done pretty much. So the rest of the day I can just chill out. 5% reach. I'm good. So yep, this is bullish, man. There's nothing stopping price. Like from here, if you look at it, we have this gap, right? So just imagine a gap looking like this. Because when gaps happen, you're gonna see like something like this. Gaps happen and something like this happens. Just pretend gap, like this candle being like this. Just pretend this is a candle. So when this is a candle, what it means is there's no traffic, right? And what that means is this. So let me draw this first. So just imagine this gap being filled like this with the candle, because that's what it is. It's just not. You don't see it visually there, but it's there. Like it's actually there. So if you look at this gap, you're gonna see we have this with this mirror candle. So what this means is whatever happens here is gonna happen over here. So like this. So pretty much if you look at this gap, now you're gonna see like this. Price is gonna come up. Sees traffic. Yeah, it has to fill the gap, but like not always. Don't just rely on it. You'll fill in the gap. You can anticipate that's gonna fill the gap if your analysis lines up to it, like this one did. But don't just always like think like, oh, price is gonna fill the gap, because sometimes it doesn't fill the gap. It takes years to fill the gap sometimes. So. Like I said, price goes up, looks left, no traffic. Comes 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 up, looks left. Over here is where you're gonna see traffic. It's gonna run into some trouble, and this is where price is gonna range a little bit. So what you're gonna see in this trade after is you're gonna see this. You're gonna see price come up, and then eventually it's gonna come up to range. So you're gonna see this area is all good to trade, and this area is where it's gonna range. So when it ranges, that's when you should get out your trades, right? Because anything here is gonna be tradable, but over here is like just range, and down here is just gonna be range, right? So our first entries were down here, and then yeah, I anticipated this move when the stream just started. So before this resistance broke, based off of these candles over here, I knew that price was gonna break it. The first thing I saw when I came to the charts today was I saw this. For those that are new, this is what I saw this morning. So we had this low gap yesterday, right? So I didn't touch the markets yesterday, and then we had a little sell. When this sell ended, we had this candle over here. So from this candle, when was this candle? This candle was made at like 5 a.m. So pre-New York. So during pre-New York, we had this candle spike to the downside, and then this candle closed bullish. But when this candle closed bullish, it closed above here. Because if you look to the left, you see these candles over here. These candles are all making lower lows, all coming down. See? And eventually, price broke structure right here. When this candle broke, this candle made a high. This candle closed bullish. So when this candle closed bullish, your entries could have been right here. Your first entries could have been right there, right? And then your second entries could have been where we got in right here. So this is where your second entries could have been, right? Because this candle closed bullish. So when I said this candle closed bullish, I mentioned that there's no wick to the top. So when there's no wick to the top, it means two things. Price can just shoot straight up, or price can just, since there's no range, like there's no wick, price has nowhere to range, so it might just come back down. But in this case, the moment I saw this candle start pushing up on this new candle, I moved my stops right here. My entries was like right here, and we caught a buy up. But yeah, there's nothing stopping price from coming up to here. It should easily come up to here, easily. The reason I took profits was because I didn't want to risk too much on a Monday, because it's a Monday, so you gotta like kind of take it slow. But yeah, that's my breakdown on GJ. So if you're in this trade still, then congrats to you. I took partials. Yeah, it's flying, man. This GJ is flying. So yeah, we have this candle over here. You guys look at this. We had this candle over here. It came bullish and then made a wick, right? So when it made that wick, this candle came bullish, and this kind of is gonna fill this wick. So that's what happened here. This wick got filled, and price should eventually come up to here. But yeah, I'm not in this trade right now. I secured some profits, but bullish, man, bullish. So if you're holding this trade, then it's 45 pips for you.
Yeah, it's gonna hit TP. I'm
Yes.
still holding it.
Yeah, so easily gonna hit TP, easily.
Still holding it.
What's your thoughts on your JPY? Send me a chart. So if you guys don't know how to send a chart, look at the description. It explains how to send a chart. Just send a chart and I'll look at it. Cause I'm not gonna look at a pair that I don't look at. You know what I mean? I don't look at your JPY. London's gonna close soon. 11, and I mean, cause your GPY, I think it's in yeah, it's open right now, but I just don't look at your GPY as much. So if you want me to look at a pair, then just send me a chart and I'll look at it. I'll break it down for you, or just I'll give you input on your analysis. But yeah, price should easily come up to here, easily, no doubt. Might be my trade for the day. Because if you look at the top right, it says please send a labeled chart. So make sure your chart's labeled. I did your last trade and had a loss. There's no way you had a loss in the last trade. This was a clear profit trade. There was no drawdown on this trade at all. There's no way you lost. It was a 5 pip stop loss. Also, these trades I'm taking are my trades. So it's your option to if you want to copy them or not. I'm just giving ideas out, right? I'm just analyzing and breaking down here. So it's your option if you want to enter or not. I never told you to click the buy or sell button. It's all up to you. But this trade was not a loss, 100%. No drawdown. Can I email you? Yeah, you can email me. Go on Control FX and just email Control FX. Go on to Instagram and click on email, and that'll be the email you can send stuff to. Or you can start a chat on a website. Go on a website over here and you start a chat. So go on Control FX. Bottom right it says chat. So just leave a message and then we'll get back to you as soon as possible. As soon as we're available. So after the stream I'll get back to you. You just ask me a question here. See? Let's chat over here. So yeah. Yep. It's a Monday, so don't take it easy. Don't rush anything.
Yo, Don, what time frame do you base your entries off?
Huh?
What
I
time frame do you base your
I
entries?
literally just broke down GG for you, bro. All time frames.
Oh, my bad. I was
Yeah.
away.
What was your question?
Do you enter on M15 though, mostly, or?
So this trade I entered off the daily. I looked at the daily.
Oh, you entered off the daily because the daily was turning bullish then.
I expected this range to get filled because it's counter and bullish, and then it didn't break the previous candle low, right? So I anticipate that this candle is going to keep continuing bullish, and also the 4 hour, this candle broke the previous candle high over here. So I anticipate that this candle is going to come up to here. So if this 4 hour candle closes bullish, then I expect the price to come up to here later on. But yeah, this candle closed bullish, and then look at the hourly time frame. We closed bullish here, breaking this candle high. So then when we broke that candle high, this candle, I answered off of this candle over here. Yeah, and then I answered off a 30-minute or 15-minute. This is my second. This is my second entries for the buy though. I answered the first entries down here.
Going?
No, like the first entry we got stopped out at because I hit entry. I closed 75% of the first one, and I had a runner and got stopped out at entry. But then this one, I just closed with like 10 pips, so 26 pips for a day. Damn, 7 a.m. people aren't awake yet. Man, you're missing all these moves, man.
Yo, 700,000 cases now. It's crazy.
Yeah, I don't know how this music's getting copyrighted. I made sure
Which one?
this music was uncopyrighted. The music that
It's uncopyrighted music, right?
yeah, but I don't know why it got copyrighted. So I might as well I might as well play some like some music, some actual music then, cause
Vietnamese music.
neck. That's the
There's some
Vietnamese music.
Forest by Night in the background, bro.
What time frame is London opening and closing? So London opens at 3 a.m. and it Eastern time. So 3 a.m. Eastern time and closes at 11 a.m. So in 4 hours or 3 hours. So 3 hours and 20 minutes. So that's why this move is happening now because London is still open. That's what's pushing GJ right now. Right? So yeah, that's why GJ is moving. So if you're trading like a pair that's not in session right now, then you shouldn't be trading it because it's not even open. It's like, for example, let's say you're trading like I don't know, AUD AUD CHF or something. Like it's not open. No, not CHF. AUD what's the Asian pair? AUD JPY or something. You know, it's not open right now. It's not in session, so you shouldn't be looking at it. It's like going to like a mall and the mall's not open. Like why are you even showing up to the mall? You know.
Mm.
You're not gonna expect movement from it. It's just in a like range or something, because it's not open. The banks aren't open for it. So yeah, that's your answer. Thanks for the free bread, Don. No worries, bro. No worries. If you're still holding this trade, drop a 1 because this trade had like no drawdown and 5 pip stop loss. A 5 pip stop loss. Yo, Sam here? So Sam, where'd you go? Guess I took the signal and left.
Shit, I was muted the whole time.
Bro, I was like, yo, where is this guy?
This guy was sleeping.
I was fully talking.
Oh.
Yeah, bro, I didn't hear you. I was like, yo, where is this guy?
No man, I didn't even secure anything on DJ.
What? Still?
I should've, but I don't know, it just moved hella fast. It moved like, it was like 20%.
But didn't she get in? Didn't she get when I got in?
No,
And
I got in
oh.
after the break of the previous high.
Oh,
So
yeah,
later.
because yeah, if you got in where I got in, I don't think it hit entry. Like I just closed it. It's 10 pips, but I don't think it hit entry.
No, it didn't hit entry where you got in.
Yeah, I messed up though. I should have closed 75% of my position and that one running, but I just closed the whole thing. Okay. Good trade. Oh. Man, I need some. Yo, I might as well play some cardio or something, cause like my stuff's like getting copyrighted for no reason. Bro, you get the chart? No, send a chart. When you send the chart, make sure you don't send the full link, cause YouTube I can't see it. Send this part of a chart, like this part only of a chart. Like from this dash to this dash. This dash open to this dash closed. Right? So make sure you don't send the full chart. Cause the full link, cause it's YouTube's gonna it's not gonna pop up on my chat. I'm not gonna see it. YouTube restricts full links, I think. Give me like 2 seconds. Yo. Chart. I need to look it up. Bullish. Yeah, so like this 30-minute candle's gonna close, but if you look at it like this, it's still gonna go up because look at this. You have this. If this closes, okay, so let me zoom in. So if this kind of closes like this, if this kind of closes like this, what do you think's gonna happen? It broke this low. It broke this support over here. So obviously our next target is gonna be right here, or like yeah, right there, right? So what I'll do is I'll actually have what I expect from this candle is this candle will close like this, and it's the next candle's gonna make a wick down, and then it's gonna turn bullish because this candle has to fill this wick. It doesn't look something like this, right? So because we have this range, this wick that has to get filled now. That's even a better thing, good thing. Alright, this wick's gonna get filled. So when this wick gets filled, it's gonna have enough momentum to push itself up to here. Because we're breaking this high, this low, as well as this low and this low. So this candle should be bullish. And this is also the new hourly candle too, so should be good. Let's see. Look at the hourly candle. Yeah, look, the hourly candle looks very good because this is the first hourly candle that's breaking this range. It's breaking out this range over here. So we had a range over here from here to like here, right? So I'm thinking, yeah, so we had this range. We had a fake out last night, I think. A fake out down here, came down here, then came back into the range. When it came back into the range, it filled the range. So that's why target is gonna be here. Because usually when price breaks the range, no, whenever price has a fake out, this we consider a fake out. What happens is price will most likely break the resistance later on. So easy target. So yeah, this is the first alley candle that's gonna break this level, so we should be good. If you're in GG buys, then just move stops to entry and enjoy. Damn. If you guys missed anything, you can just replay the thing, the call, the live stream. Yeah, this candle closed bullish, right? So I'm expecting this candle to come up, continue up, look something like this. So we're gonna have a wick down. Once it gets that wick and it flips, it should come up like this, right? So it's gonna look something like this. Let's say it's gonna look something like this. I'll tap there and it's gonna make a little support over here. Yeah, it's making that wick right now, right? Because the candle's red. So let's see. So once the candle turns bullish, you can probably get potential buys in. But I'm done for a day. Just an idea. Bro, I finally muted my magic keys, bro. It's not loud anymore. Muted. So for those complaining about my magic keys being loud, it's now muted. But I don't know how to mute my MT4. That's the only thing I don't know how to mute. If you guys know how to mute your MT4, let me know, because I have no idea how. I tried everything. Yeah, so this 15-minute kind of closed bearish. That's the only thing. But so this 15-minute kind of closed bearish. So but the thing is the 30-minute closed bullish. and the 1 hour closed bullish. So usually the bigger time frame usually takes over the small time frame. So this 1 hour candle should continue to go up, even though this 15-minute candle closed bearish. But if the hourly candle were to close bearish and the 15-minute were to close bullish, then yeah, the hourly candle would take over and continue to sell. But yeah, so see what I mean? This candle made a little wick. So what's gonna do now? It's gonna continue to fly up. Right? Should have filled this wick over here. Easily fill this wick. Because this is a low now. So stops, if your stop loss, if you're in this trade still, your stop loss should be below here. There's no reason it shouldn't. Right? So you secure pips no matter what. Because this way you'll secure now you'll start to secure, I think, 12 pips no matter what, right? So instead of losing this whole trade, you're gonna secure some pips. But yeah. Played exactly like I wanted it to. So good start to the week. Let's see how far it goes up to. Let's see if it hits take profit area. Yep. Should be good. Damn. Yo, Sam, Roger had the same entries as me, yo.
Jeez.
Like, down here, after the first, second entries are here. Damn.
Sick.
Yeah. Backtesting played off. I backtested the whole weekend for 26 pips. Yeah.
No, that move was super clean on the 15-minute.
Yeah.
I don't know why I didn't see that.
I actually entered I had the second entries right here. I entered again right here. If my stops below his wick, once it turns bullish, so my target is still up here. I think I'm moving stops to entry right now. Yep. This whole pair was broken down, analyzed, and everything just played out perfectly. Like, it's the first thing I looked at too. Like when I hopped in the charts at like 6:30, I was like, "Yo, there's gonna be a huge buy today. Huge buy." So yeah, my stops are entry. If I entered again right here, my stops are entry right now. Chilling. Moving stops up. This is my third trade of the day, right? So I might be done after this. No reds today, man. No reds. Holy shit.
You got into another trade?
I got over here again with my stops below his wick.
Yo,
But
I'm still holding GJ
yeah,
from original position.
yeah. If you're holding it, your stop should be here though. Because if it breaks the previous hour kind of low, then you're out. Yeah. I took partials on this position now, so I'm out of this. But I'm not in anything right now. But it's a quick 7 pips. But yeah, I'm done. Done for the day. This wick got filled kind of, so. Yep. If you guys enjoy the breakdown, drop a like. Drop a like. Let's get to 20 likes today. 20 likes.
I'm in EJ cells right now. I mean EU.
Oh, EU. Yeah, if you guys send me a chart, please send a label chart. Like don't just send me a chart with like your entries and your exits, you know, like it doesn't make sense. Just send me a chart with labels, like for example, like what happened here, why did you enter here, price broke this resistance, coming down here, it's like, you know, it's respecting this, it's come up to here, fills gap, whatever. Like anything, just describe it. Like if you send me a chart with nothing on it, I'm just gonna say, like I'm not gonna say anything. See? So this candle's been bearish, so I closed because if price breaks this candle low, then I'll eventually come down to here, right? So yeah, I'll be out of this trade right now. Yeah. GJ. Taj, you want a link? My bad. Walk around. Taj, check the chat. I'll see it. So if you're in GG buys, I'll just take profit at this point, right? I don't want to risk too much shit. Taking profits. Taj, what up?
What's going on, bro?
Yo, you missed it, man.
Hey, I woke up.
You missed the entire GG breakdown, all the entries. Just fire, like.
Bro. I can't believe Jared last night, man. That thing flew up and flew back down to take profit.
US 30.
Well, Jared.
Oh damn, US 30 has some potential chance to come up. Not trading this though. Yeah, how are gold spreads right now? Let me check.
Probably trash.
Bro, 10 pips. It's not that bad. 9 pips. Yeah, looking at gold, I want to trade it so bad, but
I secured 10 pips on EU.
EU.
Yeah. This could be a big sell though. I'm holding earlier.
EU. Yeah, I think. Yeah, so gold right now, I'm not trading it because it's too buggy. Like for some reason the spreads are too wide. So, but I'm looking at gold right now and I'm expecting gold to continue falling because look at this. We have this zone right here. This potential support. Right? So since this candle broke the previous low of this, I would have had entries here. Right? With my stops over here. And target would be, first target would be right here, and if it breaks this target, it will potentially come down to like here, this area. But I'm not in it. I'm not trading it because the spreads are too hot, too wide. Doesn't make sense though. Yeah, so if you're in GJ, I would suggest you to get out because look on the 15-minute. This candle closed bearish, and since this candle came up, made a wick to the top. This candle, if it doesn't respect here, because since we broke this level and it didn't respect it, then this candle should continue to come down to here now, right? So I wouldn't be any bias for GG right now. I'll be taking profit.
I just entered EU cells as well.
Let me check it.
Same, I entered again.
Let me check it. I'm gonna look at that.
Stop loss above the current 5-minute wick.
Yes, sir. As soon as it turned bearish.
Oh yeah, it's a sell for sure. Yeah, broke that level. There's a small resistance right here. Yeah, for sure. We should come down to here easily.
Yep.
Yeah, I didn't enter because I already entered my 3 trades for a day. Yeah, easily. Thing is, this 15-minute candle closed bullish, so But since we broke the low, we should continue to come down. So anticipating that this candle stays bullish, stays bearish, it should be coming down. As long as it doesn't turn bullish, but it shouldn't. It's like 2 minutes left. Yeah. This previous 1 hour candle is bearish too, so it has sell stops here potentially. We're down to here. Yeah, it's a good trade. Yeah.
Yeah, I got entries in even earlier.
Yeah.
Close, but I entered again.
I actually would have got entries like here probably because was that your entry? The Saturday candle?
Hold up. Let me see.
Because yeah, this Saturday candle broke.
Yeah.
Well, this candle broke the low of this candle, anticipating that we're gonna this zone is broken. So yeah,
Yeah.
should be good. Should come down, down, down. I don't like Euro USD though. I don't know why. It's just I never liked that pair. It's just too weird, too slow or something. It's a big move. It's like 50 pips. Yeah, you might run into some trouble here, but you should be good. 5 minutes are printing bearish, yeah. Should be good. Damn, highlight of the day is gonna be GJ. Highlight video coming up.
Y'all come 30 minutes late. Y'all have 16 pips. Oh,
26. Oh, these are my pips, my entries. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Let me check your 30 real quick.
Bro, I caught it beautifully.
Yeah, so this
right now,
candle
it's
closed. We have a little support forming right here. Small support. So I'm guessing if this candle closes bearish, breaks this low, we could come down into here. Oh.
Yeah, that's where I have my support and my resistance. After it breaks out of those, entering.
Yeah, because we have this little range. We have this resistance over here, and then we have the support now. So yeah, it's just in a little range, but once you break out, then it should be good. This 15-minute candle closes doji, I think. I think, yeah, this candle closes bearish. So if you were to enter this trade, I'll enter with my stops probably above these candles over here because this is the hourly high. But then again, I'll have to wait for the hour to close. So this would be a little aggressive, but yeah, my stops will have to be here. I'm gonna take profit down here. But I don't think you're in it right now, right?
No, I'm
Yeah.
not in until it breaks one of my zones.
Yeah, it's just a range, but looking at this, looking kind of bearish. I'm more on the bearish side because unless this is a fake out, because if this is a fake out, then what can happen is price would just come, because this kind of close below this area, right? Close below this kind of close below this zone. So if that was a fake out, then price could potentially come back into the range, retest it, and continue to go up, right? But I don't know. This is a 15-minute, so it's not that strong.
No, it's valid because the other, if you go on the 1 hour or 4 hour,
Yeah.
it's really strong support. Really
Yeah.
strong.
I just don't like this candle. This is a dangerous candle.
Very.
So, but the hourly time frame is good. I'll be more on the sell side though. But yeah. My input. Back on GJ. Yeah, gold selling. See? So if you came down to this target. Oil is going to continue selling. You should have no reason buying oil. No reason. Look at the daily candle. No wick to the top. Just straight bottom wick. So this candle should shoot straight down because this candle broke below this low. and this it's gonna fill this wick, which it did, right? So this is a small minor support, and it should continue to break down, come down to 16 or something. I think. Look at the monthly. That's your next support.
Yo, Taj.
Almost on a chart.
Oh no, bro.
Yo, where do you see Jer 30 going?
Donda said going down.
Bro, I just analyzed the whole thing, bro. I asked,
Yo, that was
yo,
so funny.
I was like, yo, I broke down the whole entire pair that comes on. Yo, where do you see GR30 going, bro?
Bro,
Your chart did not work for some
this
reason.
phone call was muted the whole time.
What do you muted? I'm talking.
No. Like I muted Zoom. That's why I couldn't hear.
Yeah.
I've just been scalping. That's why.
So GJ, target if this breaks, target if this breaks. We got this resistance right here. Right. So you have this small resistance, and then you have this small support. Yeah. So you're in a range. So. Yeah, you gotta show me where your entries and exits are. Or you're just looking at it, I don't know. But just send a label chart, you know? Explain what you see. Explain if you're more on the bearish side or if more on the bullish side. Because I can't really tell what you're looking at. Because then again, if you send me this chart, I'm just looking at the same thing I'll be looking at on my chart, you know? I'll just be looking at a range. Like, I understand that you send me a range, but you gotta explain, like, what you see, you know, if you see bullish momentum or you see bearish momentum. But I'm looking more on the bullish side because price is making higher highs right now. So if you look at this candle, you're gonna see potentially higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. As long as this candle does not come down to this wick, it should continue making a higher high, and it should come up to this range. But
Yo, who is in the EU?
gonna.
Me.
Did you close or are you still holding?
I'm still holding. I put my stop loss above the current 5 minute.
Yeah.
It's in like profit now.
Okay. I closed. Yeah, I closed because I already got entries from earlier. So.
Nice. It's still going down though.
Bro, that was super nice.
How many pips you guys got?
I got 3 entries with 10 pips each.
Oh shit, that's nice. Damn. Yeah,
I got like 14 pips.
yeah, that's nice shirt.
I don't have no entries right now. I think I closed with 200 with Jer.
Oh yeah, that's Jurdo. That's 200 points. Not pips. That's like 20 pips, but 200 points. Like US30 and Jur, that's how they calculate it. I've been calculating pips for US30 the wrong way the whole time, because I usually calculate within like, so this here, I'll say it's 2,000 pips, but it's actually 2,000 points, so it's 200 pips. Know what I mean? But yeah, US30. If you're comparing US30 to Jur30, I think US30 is looking like a buy. 'Cause what do you have here? You have this support, this resistance that's being formed right here. I'm anticipating that since price is making higher highs and higher lows, I'm expecting discounts to break the high of this, which it is right now, and it's gonna continue up to here to fill this range. But looking bullish. We have this minor range here. Looking bullish.
GU is a fake out.
Where?
Looking at GU?
Yeah. Yeah. Let me see. It's too. I don't know. It's yeah.
It looks pretty weird.
It's coming back. It's coming back into the range. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see.
On the 30-minute at least.
I can't look. I can't be looking at too many pairs though.
Stick to your pairs, bro.
Like last week, I messed up because I was looking at GU, GCAT, and GA at the same time, so it was too much for me. Like, so this week, I'm just gonna look at GJ and gold again. I think gold spreads are calming down. Right? I think they're like
Bro, they're crazy, man. I looked at them, they were 10 pips, and they literally just
That's
dropped
not bad.
to
Like
25.
last week was like 40, 30 pips, you know.
Right now, it's like 15.
Wait, you saw the spreads at 15? I mean at 25 today?
Yeah, I said, yeah, I seen it at 25.
Damn.
But
Just-
isn't
just
gold
move.
gonna be crazy because of that big ass news about I forgot what news it was.
Overall. My bad. Yeah, overall it's gonna be bullish. So if you look at GJ is now making lower lows. So what do you expect? I said earlier, this
Come down.
candle, yeah, this candle closed bearish. This is a doji, so just don't look at this candle. It's just gonna continue in this candle, breaking a low. This candle is gonna continue down to fill this range right here. So should come down to here. Nothing
Yeah,
stopping
you
it.
seen the way Roger was taking his entries in the simulator thing?
Yeah.
He's buys and sells within the range a lot.
Yeah, I was that's what I did all weekend. I was back testing that same thing the whole weekend. Like that's how I caught GJ earlier. Like usually I wouldn't have entered there, but I entered
But
just 'cause-
GJ, I don't know. GJ earlier, like I feel like you could have caught it like regular.
I don't know, cause I think I caught like
That was a pretty easy.
yeah, it was pretty easy. Yeah, it was pretty easy entry. But no,
I,
cause
you like it broke above and then it retested and then it went up.
yeah, it came close to stop loss. So the first time I entered, I'm like, fuck, we're gonna hit stop loss. I'm like, nah, came up.
Yeah.
Low equator grabber.
If I had GJ and I had EU, that would be blessed. But
Yeah, good day today.
Yeah, hopefully. Any news on Forex Factory?
Nah, none today. We're just
Check.
chilling. We're just chilling. Nah.
I bet.
If you guys are in this call, it's live stream. Just post this live stream on your story, bro. It's free education, like literally free. Giving out free shit.
Lots of brownie points.
Like this whole GJ analysis, man.
Pure gold. Not getting nowhere else. They're gonna
Pure
charge you an arm
breakdown.
leg.
Come on.
Other people charges you $500 just to learn what you're learning now. Literally.
big facts.
Drop a like. If you guys enjoy the stream though, if you guys want to learn more though, go to this website right here. Press start. Press add a cart and then log in. Sign up. Right? This is the course. This is everything I fucking know. Right? Who's that, Don? Yo, what up? What up, Yusuf? Long time no talk, bro. Haven't seen you since elementary school. I mean, since Sham. Yeah, so I think GJ, it's now currently at current support. So if this breaks, then we're coming down to here. But if this area gets broken up here, it'll eventually come up because we're in this low range right now. So prices made this move this morning during pre-New York, and right now it's in a range a little bit. So I'm guessing like maybe during 4 minutes it'll start moving again in the next 30-minute candle because that's New York open, right? But it's just in a low range right now. So I'm not in this trade anymore because we caught our pips already, but yeah.
GJ looks pretty ugly.
GG's pretty ranging right now.
Could be good for like fuck yeah no.
Yeah,
Can't really
it's a low range. I wouldn't really suggest entering. Yeah, whoever was in the car earlier, we broke down GJ from head to toe. Broke down GJ from here coming up to here. Levels I was gonna respect, levels I was gonna break, you know. Please leave a like, please leave a like. Let's hit 20 likes today. Our first week of live, second week of live stream. So. If you guys have a chart, just send it in chat. If you guys looking at gold or whatever you guys looking at, GJ, just. You guys looking at gold or whatever. What's that? I hear myself.
I had to give it a like.
Oh yeah.
Forgot.
I'm gonna give it a like on my actual channel.
Just give yourself a like.
What else should I look at? Yeah, see, like I said US 30 earlier, I mentioned that prices are gonna come up to here because look, we have this resistance over here, and we have this minor support down here, right? So since this resistance over here. So since GJ, when US 30 broke out of this area over here, it broke this candle high. You see how these candles are making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This candle broke out of this resistance off of this previous candle high. So this candle should continue to come up, right? So thing is, we're at a minor resistance right now, but when we break this minor resistance, we should come up to here eventually for US 30. Because I know a lot of you guys like trade US 30, so I don't trade it as much anymore, but a lot of you guys still do. So I just broke it down for you guys. My bias is more bullish than bearish, right? So it should come up to here, for those range. I don't see why not.
Bro, if I would have kept my entry at 8209 from last Sunday, I would have been set right now. Oh my god. Lit.
If you guys have any questions, let me know in chat. If you guys are new, you guys could join a Telegram group. If you guys want the free chat, I have a VIP and I have a free chat. You guys can join the free one. Free. Just test stuff out, but just go on the website. At the bottom it should show Telegram, and just click on Telegram and then open up the Telegram and it should take you to the page. If you guys are wondering, we used to have 4,000 members in here, but I deleted the community chat, so it's just a single channel now. So you can't talk in it, but you can still there's a lot of gems in there. Oh yeah, market's just ranging right now. I think 30-minute just closed, just opened bullish. I mean, it just opened, so the 30-minute closed bullish, right? So if the 30-minute closes bullish, what do you expect from this candle? You should expect something like this now, because our target is still up here, right? And this candle closed bullish as a low doji, so we should cancel this candle out. And since this candle was breaking it broke the previous high of this wick, because this wick still has to get filled, right? So price could potentially come up to here to fill that wick, because this 30-minute candle just pretty much did nothing. It's just ranging. So I'm expecting this candle to come up, eventually tap this, and then eventually come up to here, make a huge wick to the top. Yeah, it should look something like this candle. You should tap this area, at least. But yeah, it's bullish. I wouldn't be selling or anything, but bullish. Cause this 50-minute candle closed bearish, but the candles after respected the support zone right here, right? And since it respected it, and this candle is breaking the previous candle high in 15, this candle should come up to fill this wick. Should be good. So the thing is with GJ right now, if you look at GJ, you're gonna see the price is approaching its daily resistance, daily high, right? So next target, like I'm guessing for GJ would be up here. So this is kind of better because we have clear traffic now, right? So if this day kind of closes above this area over here, then we should potentially get a bullish move tomorrow or tonight during London, right? Up to here. Or might even get it now, who knows, but let's see what Monday gives us. But yeah, this target should get filled. Like this target, if this area breaks, it should be bullish. If you look at it, you're gonna look at it like this. So price pretty much, this is what happened in markets. This is what happened. You have this candle right here, clear traffic candle. So what you should expect here is another clear traffic candle over here. Replicate that move because price doesn't come up, see no traffic and just continue coming up. But once it meets traffic, because like if you look at it, where's the next traffic? We passed this traffic already. We passed this traffic. Since we passed this traffic, the next traffic area is gonna be right here, and that's where it's gonna range again. But it should come up, right? Obviously, I'm not gonna enter any buys right now because kind of done for a day. Probably wait till tomorrow. US 30, I just analyzed US 30, so if you go back, look at the replay, go back to like 5 minutes or something, I analyzed it. It's bullish. Or send a chart. The main point of the stream is education, so it's not just asking what's this gonna do, what's this pair gonna do, you know, just ask like questions, like send a chart and just send me a label chart and just show me what you see. Now just add on to it. But don't just ask like, what do you think US 30 is gonna do? What do you think gold's gonna do? What do you think this is gonna do? Because that's not the point of the stream. Send me a label chart and then I'll answer your question. Yeah, this is bullish. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Yeah, honestly, Sam, I'm gonna start playing Cardi, Elite Cardi, because I don't think they can copyright that.
No, I
Elite,
don't think
I'm playing
so.
some Elite Cardi. Yeah.
Yes,
I don't know.
Cardi. You know,
Yeah,
fucking
Cardi, my
Cardi.
boy. Yes, looking at gold right now. So if you look at it, let's clear this. Let's remove this. You have this minor support area right here being held. So this candle closed bullish with the wick to fill. So I'm expecting this candle to continue up to at least 1621 area potentially, because that's the next resistance area, right? So expect something like this to get filled because this is a range now. I should come up to the top of the range. Kind of similar to an entry we had last week on GJ, where you should expect is much like this candle to come up and fill his wick and reach this eventually. Because if we break this previous candle high, then yeah, for sure we'll come up to here. The first target should be here, and your second target should be like right here. That's if I were to enter the trade. I would have entered on this new 15-minute candle. With my stops like below this candle right here, anticipating that this level will get respected, right? If you think about it, gold came down, and now it's in a range. So when it ranges, what do you see in a range? You're gonna see price making highs, price making lows, price making highs, just ranging top to bottom. So this is the first bullish candle in this range. So you should expect price to come up to the top of the range again, easily. Cause I spent my weekend back testing this kind of move. I should expect it to pay off. Come up to here. When will US30 break out 18k area? I was seeing 21. Will 18k become support? Well, man, you should send me a chart. You know, send me a whatever time frame. Send me a chart and tell me why you see that. Cause anyone can just throw numbers out there, you know. But just send me a chart. I want to see what you see. Don't just throw round numbers out there.
What? Yo, look at you, tree.
I might get in EU sells again after it breaks the 5-minute range.
Let me check it. EU?
Yeah.
Yeah. 5-minute range. Yeah, we have a minor resistance being made, and we have a minor. Let me check. So next level is right here. Alright, so
Yep.
5-minute. Sorry. Level is gonna be respected. We should eventually come up. Yeah. So look, 5-minute, you're gonna see nice resistance being made. You have a nice support. So in this range, so once you break up below, yeah, it makes sense. 15-minute. Yeah, so the 15-minute, look at this again. I explained this earlier. So the 15-minute candle close a doji.
Yeah.
So take that out. And since price is breaking this low, like this candle low right here, then I'm expecting this to continue down. But the thing is, we have no wick to the bottom here.
Yeah.
That's the only issue. We have no wick to the bottom. So meaning that there's no range to get filled. So either two things can happen. Because when there's a range, when there's a wick to get filled, there's usually a range that needs to get filled, like right here. But since there's no wick, it can mean that, or it can mean that price would just come back up.
Yeah.
That's the issue. But obviously I'm more bearish. This is a 15-minute, right? So if you come down to your 30-minute, you're gonna see this close bearish with a wick to fill. So this range is gonna get filled on a 30-minute and an hourly time frame. It hasn't closed yet. So I'm thinking maybe like it's in a range till like the hourly candle opens up. So 19 minutes. But yeah, I think it should fall. Obviously.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be buying. I'd be selling. Yeah, it's just that these.
Cool.
Yeah. Should be good. Just wait though. Just wait it out. Don't enter sells until this level breaks.
Yeah, exactly.
'Cause what could happen actually? Maybe this can happen. Maybe you can get a. If this happens, you'll be golden. Cause let's say price comes out, makes a wake up, closes bullish, and then next candle just comes down after. Then this will be a fake out, right? Because price broke this level.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, their price will just eventually come down and make bigger wicks. You know? But yeah, that's if it happens. Let's see. If that happens, then you should be good, because if that happens, you can get a better entry. You can get an entry up here because your stops will be above that range. And yeah, you can have your TP down here, because usually what happens when it breaks the ranges, it drops further than the support. Right? That's when a fake will happen.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah, and drop a like on the stream if you guys like this stream. Yeah, this too. What's GG doing? So GG is still range. Shit, that's there low. Cause look, we are 4 min. Just mini support here. So if I were to get in on this candle, my stops would have to be below here. Cause yeah, 14 pip stop for but anticipating that this candle right here is gonna break above here, so I'm not entering. I'm already done for the day. Entered 3 trades today. Make maybe my 5%. Actually, no, I made like 4%, but I'm not gonna push the 5 on a Monday. Yo, Sam, are you still in EU or not? I mean, yeah, you're USD. Guys, I'm mute again.
I think he said closed a long
Oh.
time ago.
Yeah. So this 15-minute candle on GJ, since we closed, since this candle is breaking the previous high, this candle should come up to fill these wicks over here. When it fills this wick, it'll probably have more momentum. So since this candle is closing in 45 seconds, 55 seconds, then this candle, I'm pretty sure it will close above its range and eventually come up like a lower wick and come up to here. It's trying to tap TP. Yeah, man. GG is bullish. If you're still holding GJ, then from my call from earlier, then should be good. But I think you guys took profit. Booming.
Yeah, you should have took profit for sure. Cause
Yeah.
structure.
I would have took profit. But if you're patient, then you know. Alright, so this 50-minute kind of closed bullish and it filled these wicks. So I'm anticipating that this kind of will make a lower wick. Essentially like so. Something like this. Gonna create that lower wick and come up. Once it flips, it should be gone. I'm expecting this candle to be the candle that touches take profit. Finally, right? So let's see how low. As long as we respect this level right here, should be good. Yeah, it should be bullish. It should hit take profit on this candle. Cause it's like 8:45, right? So
What was your original TP?
this yellow line. Cause this morning, this morning, when price is down here still, this is my take profit area because I was looking at the 4-hour and I was like, shit, this might be a fake out on a 4-hour down here, like this range. It broke out and a fake out down here. So
Yeah.
I was anticipating that price is gonna come up and eventually break levels.
I see. Yeah.
Yeah, because it came back to this range, so this range has to fill now.
Wait, why TP like there?
Why is TP here? Because I honestly don't know, bro. But I literally put my TP there. I usually put up the low, like actually no, I put it based on the daily time frame. Sorry, like daily, like middle of this wick kinda. But I usually put it down here, but I moved it up to here. But yeah, it was a little aggressive
I mean,
TP.
it has room to go.
Yeah, it'll eventually touch
still-
it.
It
Yeah.
needs to break the higher high of the.
I don't know, bro, but I put it up here. I hop on Raja's stream and it was exactly placed where like I put it. I'm like, what the fuck?
How? What?
I don't know, bro. I don't know what we saw. I just I don't know. I just expected it to come up to here. But I'm expecting this to pass TP eventually. Like This is my target, 136.312. Super target.
20. Where's everyone at?
26 views?
Everybody's sleeping.
Yeah, I'm gonna sleep bro. 7 a.m.
I will
These
be
live
sleep
streams
too.
will for sure teach you the most though.
Yeah.
So
I'm gonna come up.
shoot, yeah.
Yeah, this candle's pushing bullish, so this candle's breaking these candle highs. So this candle should eventually come up to tap this TP area. Right? Easily. Easily. So this bond wick was made. Right? So once that bond wick gets made, this should be where your stop loss should be if you're still in this trade from like down here, right? So your stop loss should be down here with potentially take profit come up to here. Anticipating that we'll touch that profit area. Because this is a strong bullish candle. This one's like a weak candle. This is a strong candle. So, and it broke out of the range too. So, I understand sometimes you have to wait for a retest, like down here, and eventually come up. But sometimes there's no retest. And the thing with GJ is that there's not always a retest on GJ. So I looked at it. There's more retests on gold than GJ. So GJ
Gold,
for the
bro,
past for the past week, GJ has never been like retesting. It's just been going up. 'Cause when it goes up, it just goes, man. It doesn't stop.
yeah. Gold is, I don't know, I miss trading gold.
What's this lot do you usually trade with? I trade like a 6.0 right now, right? So depends on your account size. You can't just like throw a 6.0. It took like a lot of growth. Cause like I think a couple months ago I was doing 3.0s. Then the past 3 months I've been using 6.0s. That's my lot. So it all depends. Like that question just it depends on like your account size, how much equity you have, you know, and like how long you've been trading for, your experience. Because you can't just like as a new trader, if you're new, you can't just throw a 6.0 of like nowhere. Yeah, it takes time to build up to there. Like first you gotta start with 1.0s or like if you're new, like obviously like 0.01s and then 0.10s and then just do it for a couple months, get used to it, and then just keep adding lots as you get used to it, as you're becoming more profitable, right? So the reason why like I don't go for like big targets, like I used to go for like 100 pip moves, 200 pip moves. That used to be me, but now I just go for like these small moves over here. Like, you know, I pay more attention to detail now, and I go for less pips. My pips are 26 pips, and my 5% account growth is done. Or my 4%. I made 4%, but off 6.0 lots. So if you do the math, 6.0 times 16 pips, what does that give you? And that times 10 pips, what does that give you? Also another 5 pips too, but I didn't add it here. But so about 31 pips. So about 1.7, 1.8. What's the playlist? Honestly, bro, I just searched up non-copyright music on YouTube and I got like the first thing that popped up. So you can search it. I think I don't know what it's called. Forgot. I'll check later though. After the stream, I'll let you know tomorrow. You ask that question again. Yeah, US30 is going bullish, so is doing as successful. Whoever is in this trade, you guys took this analysis, because I'm just giving ideas though at this point, because I'm not trading anything, I'm just chilling right now, done for a day. But if you guys took this analysis, then you'll see that US30 is playing out like we said. Broke this candle high, and it should come up to fill this wick as well as touch this range. So this is another trade called, not trade taken, but trade called. Called. Because on the stream, all the trades I take will be over here. Right, and all the trades I called and I talk about will be over here. I'm not actually gonna trade it. I'll talk about it. Yeah, target should be up here for US30. I don't see anything blocking it. I'm coming up there. I feel this 4-hour wick to the top, as long as it respects this low. Man, your trading is so simple now, bro. So simple. It's not easy, but simple. Like, you just gotta break down your analysis.
I'm back in EU.
Oh, it broke the range?
Yeah.
If you guys are in the stream, please do like and share the stream so we can get more people in here for free education. Yeah, the later retro. Yeah, your US30 is just bullish. Let's go back to your USD. Yeah, yeah. See, so it broke out this range, right? So this is a perfect entry
Yeah.
right here. Perfect entry, no drawdown. Cause this kind of closed below this area right here.
I entered like that last 5-minute wick. Like once it passed there, I entered.
Yeah, it's a sick entry. Yeah, this is a range,
You
right?
could take entries based on the 1 hour now.
Closing? Oh yeah, 2 minutes
Yeah.
closing. Yeah, so yeah, so 1 hour should. The thing is, it's kind of too late, right? Cause your stops gonna have to be like above here. Looking at 5 minute.
Well, no, just whatever it is on the 50-minute or
Oh, or you can, yeah. Yeah.
just if it doesn't break because Yeah.
Thing is,
It shouldn't break structure.
yeah, it should come down. There's no traffic, clean traffic.
Yeah, clean
Until-
candle.
Until another like 30 pips. Like 1.09.
Up and down.
Yeah, it's coming down. Damn. 5-minute kind of close. There. A nice trade.
Yep.
Rick Sam, you closed there, eh?
Yeah, I'm done.
Also, please follow the Instagram up, top left corner. Instagram's controller_FX. So follow that Instagram for highlights, for anything related to our group. If you guys are enjoying the stream. Our Twitter and Facebook is at the top right. But we're more active on Instagram right now. So. All links are in the description. Yo, it's gonna be a nice highlight video today. Super nice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so GJ is closing back in the range, meaning this is what it means. So we had this range here. We had this little range. What this means is this. We had a fake out, right? Price came up, opened above, fake out happened. This kind of closed bearish into the range. So this range is get filled, this little range, and when this range is filled, it should come down to here, right? So that's what should happen.
Jeez.
What I'll be looking at is actually, I'm not gonna enter sells, but because I'm done for a day. But what I would have done was probably enter sells on this candle, have my stops above here, with my take profit over here. Because this is a pretty simple move. Another move that I see happens like 75% of the time. This is a 21 pip move, right? So. Yeah, see, prices break coming down, like just like we said. I literally just said it. We broke this kind of low. We had a fake out here, so there was no doubt price is gonna come down here. I get that this is your first support right here, but the thing is, we had a fake out, and what happens with a fake out is price usually pushes 2 times stronger the other way. Like 75% of the time, price will usually break the support and come down to the next support. So. Yeah, this count should come down easily. Fake out, back to the range, come down, fill the range, and then eventually come down to the bottom of the range, the next range. Yo, I just realized the amount of entries, the amount of trades I could have took today. EU, GJ, US 30. analyzed all of it, but just entered like 2 this morning. But if you guys are in the stream, you guys took these calls, then it should be gold. Damn, big liquidity grabber. GA is dropping down. Yeah. Damn. Hey, pips. 42 pips. Nice. Yeah, lost 30 pips. Then nice move. Yo, Taj guide.
What's going on, bro?
What up?
Bro, I don't see no setups until New York.
Bro, this is bear sells right now. A bunch of shit.
I know Drew 30 starting to sell off
Let me check.
a little bit. Then it's gonna go back up. I ain't traded nothing yet.
I think this might be a fake out. Let's see how the candle closes though. Cause like you have this top range and you have the bottom of the range right here.
Right.
So if this is a fake out, then price could potentially come down. So here. Let's see how 30-minute closes. Cause this candle closes bearish. It's kind of come breaking the low. So if this continues to make lower lows and lower highs, then we might see this back in the range and then eventually break down to here.
Yeah, that's why I'm not getting in, because it has to do something to break that range.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to play with my money. I don't have time to be messing with my money. When I know it's going to do something, that's when I enter.
Where's Jalen at? This guy says I'm coming to stream. This is a liar.
Oh no.
This is a liar.
I thought I wasn't gonna wake up, but I just woke up middle night.
This guy said, "Yo, Don, talking about GJ on that. I need to hop on the call." Yeah, Jalen, I should have school at 8 a.m. 9 a.m. right now, or 8 a.m. I don't know.
He been going tough on Jared, bro.
Yeah.
He dropped a lot size on Jared. You know how crazy that is? I would never do that.
I don't even know, man. He's overtraining.
Yeah, I told him, bro, this one, I was up $1,500.
Yeah.
And he just kept getting in and out, in and out, in and out. I was like, bro, this keep a buy, and it's gonna hit TP. What do you do?
Hit TP. Yeah, cause he likes to overtrade, bro. I don't know. I don't know. It's just overtrading. It's gonna fuck your head later. Like, just nice support here.
Do y'all hear that? Do not overtrade yourself.
Yeah, don't overtrade. Take it easy.
Because that's how you lose accounts.
Cause think about this. If the longer you're in the markets for, is the easier you lose your money. Because just because, like, think about this. You're taking, let's say you take 10 trades a day, out of those 10 trades, not all of them are gonna hit take profit. Like not all of them gonna be in profit. Like you'll lose like you probably lose like at least one or two of them, right? And like the more trades you take in a day is the more chances you're losing money because you're in the markets for a longer period of time. Like if you enter 1 or 2 trades a day and they're profitable, cool, you're good because like, you waited for those setups, you waited patiently for those setups, and you're taking more time on them. But when you're taking too many trades per day, like after two trades, 3 trades, your mind's not gonna think right. You know, you're just gonna make impulsive moves, and that's when you start losing. So when you start losing that, like let's say you take 3 trades, you lose the next trade. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna chase the next. You're gonna chase that loss. What's gonna happen when you chase the loss? You're gonna take more impulsive entries. You're gonna take like since you're chasing it, you're not gonna take the right setups. You're gonna take like something that's out of your rules. Like that's not gonna play within your rules, right? And you'll break your rules because you want to chase that loss back, and it's gonna keep going on and on and on, and you're just gonna keep losing shit.
Yep, I used to do that.
Yeah, bro, trust me, I used to do that too. But now it's like 1 or 2 trades a day. I'm good, bro. I'm done. Like I'm done for today. Good. I'm back tomorrow during New York. I'm not trading Asian. Nah, I'm in to New York. I'm back. The thing is, I call signals, so I have to be in the charts a lot. That's the only like thing, you know, because people like they have different time zones.
Right.
Like, yo, why don't you call a signal during the London session, bro? I'm not sleeping at that time. I'm not gonna wake up at 4 a.m. to call a signal. Like especially when I'm not awake, you know. Makes no sense.
Yeah, you stay on
Like
the
I used to do it.
do it.
I used to do it, but now it's like I don't know.
Yeah, because I'll be like, bro, Don is not sleeping. I'll be like, bro, he be posting stuff all the time. I be knocked out.
Yeah. Like sometimes I don't. This is I don't know. Like today I barely had sleep, but
Yeah, today's just it's like reset day.
I couldn't sleep
Gotta
probably.
get back.
So I'm on like bare caffeine. I'm on bare coffee. Hold on, give me like 2 seconds. I'm gonna take a piss. Like I said, if you're in the stream, make sure you leave a like and subscribe because yo, where else can you get like free shit, free gems like this? I literally gave you like 16 pips, 26 pips for free. Breakdowns, like it's not just a signal, it's a breakdown, a whole analysis, top to bottom, daily time frame back to like the 15. Oh. Damn, GG dropped. See? So, yeah, this is a fake out. So if you took this trade, man, you're good because I explained it and I broke it down again. I said this is a fake out, and since we're breaking the previous candle low, this support is now broken. And since this is a fake out, price will break out this range and come down to this right here. So easy. So easy. If you guys took that call, if you guys took this, I don't know if you guys took this, but if you took it, just let me know in the comments. Easy so.
I think this might be the first day that maximum 3 trades.
Yeah, I didn't take it.
Yeah.
I should have, but you know, I can't.
Feels good to just like
Chill out.
just be done.
Yeah, it just feels super good to be done. Like you're done, you know? You don't gotta do anything. Like, I don't care how many opportunities you see. You're done after, like, you know, you don't overtrade. That's like the only thing. The only way you can lose money in this market is if you overtrade and over leverage. That's it. Just overdoing yourself. That's it. But you know,
Yeah.
because like your analysis, like, it's not that hard to analyze. It's just, can you be disciplined?
Yeah, there's a lot of factors that just go into like getting your psychology right. And
Yeah.
knowing how to manage risk
And it takes time too, you know.
takes time.
And it's
For sure.
expensive. It's an expensive lesson too. Like,
Yeah,
Yeah.
bro. I think I spent like 4,000
yeah, bro.
Yeah.
going to
It's-
person to person, computer.
No, not even that. It's expensive, like blowing your account and just learning from those mistakes.
Oh yeah, I blew that $600, $1,200 accounts.
Yeah,
'Cause
bro.
I, don't,
Yeah. Same.
I didn't know what I was doing, bro. If you just take the time and learn, I'm on a 2-year process right now. Learn
2 years?
2 years, bro.
What?
Because I can find the right stuff.
2
You know,
years?
it's
For real?
a
I
lot
thought
of
you started like summer or something, man.
No, bro. 2 years.
Cause Sam started during summer. This guy's progress is crazy.
I didn't start doing summer.
I mean, not 2 months ago. Yeah.
Yeah, I started when I turned 18.
Like, I started a year ago, right? But like I gained like so much knowledge. Like it's like second nature now. Like,
Kind of good,
Yeah.
worse. Because you know it's a lot of scammers out there, bro.
yeah.
Just-
Fair.
Exactly. I'm lucky because like I knew Dom before, so like I could, I could like kind of trust him and shit. So
Yeah. Bro,
Really started it was
this.
when I joined IML.
Oh man.
That shit
Yeah.
really wanted me to like. That shit like motivated me, but like it did it at the same.
IMO, don't kill me. Yeah.
Yo, Don, didn't you make bank off of the?
Yeah,
market?
cause I was in it, but like I was I was already a trader, right? So like usually what happens is they join IMO before they're a trader. Like, you know, they don't know shit, right? But like
Oh,
I was
what
like
happened?
I was like experienced trader, like, so I was like when I joined I hit P2 within like 2 days, like literally 2 days. So P2 is like pretty much 2,000 a month or something like that. I just hit it right away, and then eventually it just died down. So I never lost. I just got my checks, whatever, and then I just left after because I was in it just for like,
Bro, that's crazy.
Residual.
That was like the easiest money you could like.
Yeah, yeah.
possibly make.
but like obviously I never liked it. Even when I was in it, I never liked it. Like I never fucked with it. Like,
Yeah,
I
super
was the leader in it, but like I did it for like everyone else that wanted to do it, that wanted me to do it, cause like they're like, yo, Don, do IMO, put us on. Like, all right, sure. So I did it, and then like some people that were ranking up, they got to like P1 and shit, like, and then I don't know, I just dropped it. I didn't want to do it. But yeah, like, I wasn't in it just cause I was a new trader though. I was in it after being experienced. I kind of knew like all the insides. Like I knew how the group works. I knew. Yeah, yo, GJ looking like it's gonna come down. Thing is, if you enter a sell, your stop's gonna be 8 pips. Damn, should I take the sell? Nah,
no,
nah,
today, so
nah,
going.
cause the hourly hasn't closed yet, so I gotta wait for the hourly to close, right? But yeah, it looked good in the 15-minute. Super good.
Yeah, if you took the 15-minute on the close of the previous candle.
Yeah. Oh shit. Damn, I should have took it.
That's like a kind of like a Raj entry, but
Yeah, I would have took it here, but it's just I was looking at
there
this
was just no
support.
wick. I don't know.
Yeah, there was no top wick, so it
I
was
hate it when
weird.
there's no fucking top wick. But
Yeah.
I mean, I guess like it's always a valid.
Cause like if there's no top wick,
Open up the
usually
next
what
one.
happens is price comes up to make a top wick and comes down, but I don't know. Sometimes I don't know. It's weird. Yeah, it's like a 25 pip move.
If you enter this with the stops above the previous 5-minute, it would have been like a 15 pip stop loss.
If I enter a trade,
not too bad.
I'll risk 1%, 3%. So I don't
Yeah,
lose like my
yeah.
profit.
Like man, like bro, risk management. Like yo, I swear I could have if I could have been in like deep profit since I started if I knew how to like properly risk manage.
What lot did you use today on that GJs or US Euro?
Well,
120?
I used. No, not the 20. It was like 3.6s.
Oh, yeah, so pretty much 0.20, 6, 12, 18.
Yeah, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I lost a lot last week.
I swear you were good like until Friday.
I
Like,
was good, bro. Friday literally fucked my whole account.
I told you, bro. Like,
I made 50% in 3 days, and then Friday came and I literally just lost it all.
you're done. What leverage do you use, Don? What leverage? I use 1 to 500 leverage.
Yo, I hear very people saying that though. Friday fucks them a lot.
It depends. Like, I don't know. Like,
That's why you
I
don't
mean, if you
trade
know what you're
Friday.
doing, then
Friday
but-
didn't really fuck me up because I had like, I don't know, I had a good trade. Like, I don't know. And I was
Yeah, no,
done.
it
I was done after that one trade, but it was GCAT or something.
it was GU and then
Yeah.
and then GCAT after though, right?
Yeah. Yeah, so someone asked what leverage. So like the leverage I use is 1 to 500, and honestly, I don't think leverage matters. It's just your
Yeah.
risk. It's just your risk that matters. Like you can have a 1 to 1,000 leverage, 1 to 500 leverage. It doesn't matter because you're not gonna over leverage. Just if you're using like proper risk, if you're not risking like more than 50% of your, like, if you're not risking more than 10% of your account, you're good. I'll say max I risk is 3% of my account. That's max. 1 to 3%. That's it per trade. But like I don't know. I don't think leverages matters if you're just using. Like I could literally use a 1 to 100 leverage. It doesn't matter because I'm only risking like 3% of my account. Like there's one time when I had I think $500 account. Like it was when I started, right? I had a $500 account. I think Taj knows this video. I had like a $400 account. I was new, right? I had a 1 to 1,000 leverage. I was like, yo, I'm gonna over leverage on this trade. I'm gonna make thousands. I traded news. Oh man, this is what happened. I entered a sell right. I entered a sell. I entered a sell right here. So I had a sell. Yeah, everyone knows this. So I had a sell right here. News came, boom. I had a 3.0 on a $400 account. 3.0 lot. And I just blew my shit. I just blew my account within like 2 seconds. I was gonna quit. I was gonna quit FOREX that day. I swear. I was done after that day. But yeah, man, just don't do that. Just use proper risk, please, bro.
Yeah.
The sooner you realize that risk management is key, is the sooner you're gonna leave your job. You're gonna leave whatever. Like, you're gonna like level up, right? But every time you over leverage, every time you over trade, closer you'll be. Like you take another step back every time. So just follow your guidelines and you're good. Trust me, man. Trust me.
So yeah, but it's also just some shit you have to go through though. Like,
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta go through it too.
Risk management is the #1 key in Forex.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah, I'd say so.
if you have to learn that first before you even start pressing buy or sell. Literally.
That's how you make it in the long run.
Yeah. Yep. Like, don't come on to Forex and just be like, alright, I'm gonna flip my $100 account to 1,000 in 1 week. That's how you're gonna blow your shit over and over and over again. Like,
Good luck.
if you have a $100 account, the first week you should be at like 130 max, $30 profit that week. Right? Same thing as a $1,000 account. You have a $1,000 account. Your first week you should be at 300, 1,300, and then next week another 25%, and then another 25%, and then another 25% every week, and then it's gonna add up.
I mean, like, fuck. Like nowadays, like they just think that it's gonna be get rich because that's what I
Yeah.
thought.
Yeah,
I was
man,
like,
it
yo,
takes
I'm
some
gonna
time.
just take these signals and.
Takes some time.
Right? Can't live on signals forever.
Yeah, the thing about
Yeah.
signals is like,
Signals,
knock on wood. What happens if
especially if you don't know how to risk manage the signals too.
or if you don't understand the signal? Doesn't
Yeah.
matter. Yeah.
I bet like 90% of people don't know
Yeah.
how.
People take
How
my
the hell
people
did you get this
people
point?
take my signals and they're like they just answer off a blind eye.
They be like, how you get these numbers? I bet they all say that 90%, bro.
Yeah, they asked me. So done. You know, I'm just like, bro. But the good thing about me is I send analysis. So when I send a signal, I usually send an analysis and I break it down.
Yeah, bro. I'm just big chilling. I don't see no setup. I want to get injured, but later on today, I made $245, so I'm just chilling, bro.
Yes, sir.
I could have made 12, but Taj wanted to risk it all.
I don't know.
I
I don't know.
could have took TP, bro. He hit my TP, but I was like, bro, it's about to fly.
Hey,
My
you
shit
see?
going for
Yo,
10,000.
Sam. Oh, my bad.
Yo.
My bad, Taj. I cut you off by accident. You talking?
No, bro. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Nah, I cut you off. My fault. That's the thing, bro. Yeah, I was saying, look what happened. He came back to make a top wick. I didn't
Yeah.
trust his trade because that's why.
I don't know if it's gonna continue down though. I think it might go up
If this candle continues bullish, and
because it broke structure on the 5
Yeah.
minute. So
I don't know, I gotta wait for a 30-minute,
let's
15-minute.
see.
If it closes bearish, then we got a wick to fill. We're gonna enter sell. Easier said than done. We're good. Yo, Taj, what were you saying though?
Oh, I ain't doing no setups, bro.
Oh. Yeah.
I don't see them interesting.
Yo, what up? What up, Jimmy? What up? Man, you guys are joining in late, man. You guys should have been on earlier, man. Broke down everything. Broke down GJ, broke down US30, broke down GJ again. Bro, come on.
Celebrate, get the worm, bro.
You guys can watch a replay, though.
Yes, sir.
Watch the replay. It happened around like 6:30 or something. 7? Around like 7:20 or something.
Yeah.
We entered sells. Or buys, I think.
Different time zones.
Man, doesn't matter, man. You should be waking up for New York. Best session to trade. New York session. New York and London overlap.
Because it's New York and London.
All you
Yeah.
should
Asian is
trade.
shit.
Asian is
Man,
a lot of people trade Asian, or a lot of people try to trade gold at like 1 o'clock. The market is dead, man. Like,
No. Not
No?
for me. I don't know. I don't like gold, bro. I don't like putting big lot sizes. I like getting like US 30, JER 30, because I only do a 0.03 lot size. I don't like paying my broker, bro.
okay, I'm looking to take a position on this next 5-minute candle.
On GJ?
GG, yeah.
On a buy?
3 trades, not so. But this kind of has it close, obviously down here.
I don't know, bro. I think you could take a buy.
On the 5-minute, yeah, I can take a buy because price on the 5-minute can easily come up because we have this bullish candle. This wick's gonna get filled and it's gonna come out to here. But
Yep.
if this kind of comes back down, then we have 5 minutes left. Let's see what it does. Because this candle has now formed a nice support right here.
It's gonna I think it's gonna go back up. It's gonna test that resistance.
Comes back up, it's probably gonna come
This-
up to it's gonna come up to here probably. But let's see. But this will be a fake out then, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, fake out to fill the range back.
Yeah, so it might fill the range. But I don't know. The fake already happened here. I'm expecting it to come down, but let's see. I'm not in it, but I'm gonna add Jimmy to the call. Is Steve here? Early bird gets the worm. Hey, gold came back up. Did it? No.
Yo, what's up, y'all?
Yo, Jimmy, what up?
Yo, son.
What
Bro,
up?
this
Yo.
is the lowest Monday ever, bro. I've been looking at the chart for like
Slowest
30
Monday?
minutes, an
Really?
hour.
Bro,
Yeah.
I swear I saw so many opportunities today. It's like a fast
Oh my
Monday.
You have to be on for from 7.
Yeah, bro. It's like
I woke up at 8. I'm like, bro, I'm looking at everything.
Nah, cause
like,
I
this
saw a US30 move at like 30 minutes ago. I called a buy. Well, I had analysis for a buy up to here. I don't know. I've seen bear opportunities today. Like I could have entered all of these. But I just entered 2 of these positions, but
Like I seen the U35, but I'm like, bro, nah. It looks like a mean fake out, but it was actually like a real move. But it's whatever, bro.
cause like I was looking at US30 like this. I had buys here. I looked at buys because we had price. We had a resistance right here. So when this candle right here closed above
Yeah.
this previous candle high, I was gonna look for sell buy positions right here. So pretty much on this candle right here would have been it. Take profit area would have been here. I'm still targeting there, but I don't know. Let's see. But yeah, that's what I saw for US30. First and buys.
Right now, I'm looking for like some GJ buys. I mean, not just buys, but sells. I'm tripping.
Yeah, I was
It
looking for
looks like
first sells too, but I'm waiting for this 15-minute candle to close, because if it closes like a doji, then yeah, I'll probably take a sell. But my stops will have to be above this candle, because my target for GJ is right now it will be down here to fill these wicks, right? Makes perfect sense.
Yeah,
This
I
5
want
minute.
Yeah, you see what I mean? Yo, Sam, I meant it's gonna come up to fill his wick and then come back down. That's what I'm seeing. So this 5 minute has to close bearish.
like one more retest before it drops.
Yeah, this 5 minute has to close bearish. If it closes bearish, no.
Like
Yeah.
133.750.
Yeah, that's my area. It'll close bearish. Let's see. Let's open my calc. Come on, let's see. GJ sells. Stop loss is 11 pips. Let's see. Ooh, we closed bearish. Alright, so I'm gonna take a position. I'm gonna take a short. I'm anticipating that the 15 minutes don't get respected. That makes sense. So I'm in profit. But yeah, nice position I have. I'm taking a short from pretty much here. I'm anticipating that price will respect this level. This is my 4th trade, so if this hits, I'm good. I'm done. But
Yo, do
yeah.
you use the same lots on
nah, this is a 1% because I already made profit this morning.
Yeah.
3%. Yeah, I'm expecting price to respect this high on a 15 minute, right? So I took this trade right here based off the fact that price made a high here and we broke this previous candle low. So once you see this candle start breaking this, we'll eventually come down to here because we have a broken structure and we have no traffic. So once it gets down to here, I'll move my stop loss to entry and make it risk free. So let's see it come down. Yeah, I'm actually gonna move my stop loss down. No, not yet. I'm gonna let it play out.
Bruh, so many potential entries if you just like follow market structure. Like,
Yeah, like so many opportunities today. So I'm expecting this 15-minute candle, 15-minute resistance to stay. Oh. Yeah. So the stop loss is 14 pips stop loss. And this gain is gonna be 19 pips. My position. It's a 101. Fuck. So as long as we don't break this, we should be good. But if price breaks this high, then what that will mean is this will be a fake out, and price will eventually come up. If this high breaks, then what's gonna happen is price is gonna come back up, and eventually make higher highs, right? That's what's gonna happen if this high gets broken. But the low gets broken, then we'll probably get nice sells and but see how it plays out. I took on these other trades I took 3%. On this trade I took 1% of my account risk. So I'm not risking much because I already profited for a day. I don't want to lose all my profits. I'm losing like 1% of my account. So like probably like 25% of my profits for today. So as long as we respect this, we should be good. Because there's also a 5-minute high and there's also a 15-minute high.
Yo, it just trips me out when I look at like I see how it's moving on one, and then I compare it to the other.
We're looking at what? GJ?
Like if GU's bullish, I don't want to
Oh,
take a
just
sell.
don't even look at it. Cause like
I
GU,
know,
what's
it's like,
pushing it is
if
the dollar. If this hits stop loss, then I'll be done for a day. I'll probably leave with my profits.
Just might cry a little bit.
Yeah. Damn it, cause it came into profit, but I never broke this low. It was like 6 pips in profit. I was on move stops entry at 10 pips.
Yeah. I don't like how it looked on the 5-minute, but it looked really good on the 15.
Yeah, it looks super good on the 15, but there's no bong wick on the 15. On the 5 there. Let's see. It's almost there, but let's see. Did we survive?
Oh, shit, didn't hit stop?
Nope. Did we survive?
We survived.
Nah, let's see. Cause it can still easy break up. Alright?
Maybe.
Let's see, the 1-minute close bearish. Let's see how the next candle comes. 5-minute close bullish. But it closed. The 5-minute closed bullish, but it closed at the resistance. So it closed right here. So keep that in mind. And coming down now.
Yes, sir.
So if you weren't scared, you should be in. I'm actually gonna move my stop loss down to here. I'm risking 8 pips. Actually, no, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna let it play out. Let it play out. I don't trust it. Because it hasn't broken this resistance. Damn, liquidity grab and coming down. That's what it is, right? It never broke this high. So if you're patient and you understand candles, this is what you would have been in it. You would know exactly what's going on. So if you break this low, then actually come down. We're coming down. We're coming down.
Clean traffic, bro.
Yep. Yeah, it's 1-minute candles gonna break and come down. Yeah, it's coming down, man. Take profits, but I'll get smashed. Cause we're breaking the low now. Think about it. We're breaking this candle low. So actually, right here is where I'll add more positions, right? Obviously, my stop is gonna be on the 5-minute based on the 5-minute high, but this is where I'll usually add more positions. Cause this is my first position down here, and after my second position would be right here. Cause we're breaking the low. I'll probably have sell stops there again, and then my entries to take profits are right here. Price is breaking the low. Should come down. But right, my stop loss right now is I'm gonna move it up, move it down because we're approaching that low. So my stop loss should be like right here now, instead of up there, you know. Simple trade. Simple analysis.
I feel like I would get out if it closes, like if the 5 minute closes like within this
Yeah.
little consolidation.
No, if it closes inside, then what I'm gonna do is it's still bearish close, right? But if it closes bullish, I don't know. Let's see. Because if it closes inside, I might close 50% of my position and let the other 50 run. It's not gonna play out the way I want it.
If the 5 minute.
Because if this
bullish,
5 minute flips, then yeah,
yeah.
that's when it'll be
Because
trouble.
it's,
It'll be
pretty
trouble.
decent
Yeah.
support.
Yeah. So the support is being held, this resistance is being held. Let's see which one breaks. This previous 5 minute closed bullish. Gotta see, you have it 1 minute. Say, 7 pip stop loss. Oh, come back down. Come on, bro. Come back down. Sitting like 2 pips in profit. Mash TP, man.
Yes, sir.
Go! Go! Come on, it's breaking the low.
Come on,
See?
bro. You got more space to drop. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on, GJ, come on.
Come on, GJ.
Come on, GJ.
I'm down before I call. You know who? Before I make that call. I got a call.
Guilty support.
Hey, don't make me do it.
Yeah, man. What happened with GJ is it made a liquidity wick to take everyone out, and that's where it took everyone out, and then came down. It's coming down now. Man, trading. I might move my stops to entry. I don't like the way it's moving. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna move my stops to entry, and that's risk free. Currently sitting, I think 10 pips in profit or something. 10 pips. I'm moving my stops to entry and let it run. So yeah, this candle, if it breaks this low, it should come down because it made the high wick, and then this candle should come down easily. So this candle is breaking the low, and this candle made the high. But what you see here is lower low, lower high. It should make a lower low because it's breaking this level. So it should come down to here. Based off of the 30-minute support and the 1 hour support. So yeah, if you're in this trade, please leave a like. Played out perfectly. Well, not really perfectly. It came near stop loss, but we still made it. So if you guys took the trade, leave a like in a YouTube and let me know if you're in it in the chat.
Yeah, I just moved my stop to that
Yeah.
bottom of that 15.
So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna close 75% of my position. I'm gonna let 25% run. I'm gonna do. Cause I had 2 positions here. I'll stop again right here. So take profit smashed. Well, near. I only have 25%. So come on, GJ.
Come on. Oh, that free traffic. 30 minutes.
Don, you're 4 from 4 today.
I'm perfect today, bro. I haven't missed. I haven't missed.
Oh,
I haven't missed.
there's a 100% field goal percent.
Bro, so this week I'm not gonna lose like that much. I backtested too much for that, man. I'm more patient this week.
Once it breaks that 735, it's done, bro.
Yep, take profit is about to. Come on, bro. I'm gonna close. I'm closing it. I'm done. I'm out of this trade. So I took profit with I think 16 pips. I'm done. I don't like the way. I don't want to play that extra pip. Trade 3, JPY 16 plus 16 pips.
Should have hit TP, I think.
Yeah, it's gonna hit TP. I just don't like the way it looks.
Gang,
I'm
nah.
not- I lost 2 pips, but whatever. All good.
It is what it is.
So today, 4 trades, 4 for 4, no losses. Perfect analysis.
Wow.
Wow.
Truly inspiring.
Come on now. Come on. Quit playing. Send all GJ profits.
Fuck, bruh.
If you guys took that trade, leave a comment. Come on. Man. Yo, so fucking good, bro. Yo, so good, bro. Damn, man. Can't miss. Damn. It just feels so good when you call it live. Like, you just analyze it. It's different. Like, everything is there. So, yo, the highlights today is gonna be crazy.
Whole lot of highlights.
Damn.
Alright, I'm gonna hop off.
Yeah, I'm gonna hop off too, cause I'm done for a day. My day is done. So if you guys like this stream, if you guys just joined now, you guys are late. You guys missed all 3 calls. So today we caught together 16, that's 20, 32 plus 10, 42 pips today. Plus US30 buys and GG sells. Right? So yeah, 40 plus pips for you, and yeah, enjoy your day. See you guys tomorrow, 7 a.m. Yeah, later everyone. Peace.